Alright, let me show you my water system we have at camp. And that water gets really hot, okay? I soldered this together many years ago. And I have it pounded into the ground and then just some rocks on it to stabilize it. Then I have this black irrigation line. And when the sun's out, it looks like we're going to get another evening storm in. But when the sun's out and hits that, this water gets way too hot to even to put your hand in. And I would almost say that it would get hot enough to make the water drinkable. As of right now, it's out of a little spring. In the spring, the head of the spring is up on that tree line up there. But that would take a lot more line than I have here or I'm willing to bring up here. Although this stuff here, what we'll do is we'll just find a place to hide it. And same with this, we'll just put that under a log and leave it. And then I just have a tub here we use for doing dishes and washing clothes. It's one of the I think it was $5 at Lowe's. But I'll show you where I have this tube set up. And this runs down, this is it goes from a 1-inch to a 1/2 inch and then to the spigot. So I get pretty good pressure. And here's where I have the connection, which is leaking a little bit because I don't have a hose clamp on this one side, but it don't matter. And there it is. See the end of the hose right there. You can see this water is just crystal clear, but like I said, I ain't drinking out of it. A lot of deer, bears, chipmunks, squirrels, things of that nature in here. I am not taking a chance. Let's go for a walk up here and see if we can't find the head of the spring, because that might be an option I have later, is getting another couple 100 feet of that line and just running up to the head of the spring. And then I'd have to bury it. I could bury it until where it crosses here, and then the last section of hose I'd just take and hide it somewhere. There it is. There's the mouth of the spring. There's pretty decent flow through there. So what I would do, just get a shovel, dig this area out to where I can get a nice clean face of where that water's coming out. Build a little box, recess it in there, and make a box for the water to fill up, and put a hole in the middle of it with a hose fixture, and I could just screw the black line in, run it right along there.